Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to insert tags to your WordPress blog post in just a few minutes. Begin the process by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you will find the login option. Clicking on this option will take you to the login screen where you can begin the authentication process. When you arrive at the login page, you will notice several methods to sign in. For this guide, we recommend selecting the option that allows you to continue with your Google account. By clicking on the Continue with Google button, you will then be presented with a list of your available Google accounts. Simply choose the account you wish to use for accessing WordPress. Remember that this step helps streamline the login process while also enhancing your online security by giving you a reliable and familiar authentication method. After successfully logging into your account, the next part of this tutorial involves navigating to the section that houses your WordPress posts. Once you have accessed your account dashboard, locate and enter your posts area. This section provides an overview of all the articles you have published on your blog. In this view, you will have the option to manage, update, and modify your content as needed. Within the post section, find the specific blog post that you intend to add tags to. When you have located the post, select the option to edit it. Choosing to edit a post will transition you into the post's editing interface, a screen where you can make various adjustments to your content. This editing environment is user-friendly and designed to allow smooth navigation through different sections of your post settings. Upon entering the editing screen, direct your attention to the right panel of the interface. This is where you will find a dedicated section for tags. In this panel, you will be able to enter keywords that describe the focus or topics covered in your blog post. Tags are valuable because they assist in categorizing your post, making it easier for readers to navigate similar content. They also play a role in improving your search engine optimization by relating your post to relevant topics and keywords. Now that you have located the tags panel, the final part of the process is to type in the desired tag. As you enter the tag, be sure to use terms that accurately reflect the content of your blog post. This ensures that readers who are interested in specific subjects are more likely to discover your content through related searches or internal site navigation. Once you have typed the tag, the system will automatically recognize and save it as part of your post's metadata. Following these steps, you have successfully added a tag to your WordPress blog post. By adding descriptive tags, you enhance the organization of your site and improve the overall user experience for your visitors. This simple yet effective method not only clarifies the subject matter of your post, but also helps in connecting your content with a broader audience interested in similar topics. Enjoy the benefits of a well-organized blog and keep exploring WordPress to further optimize your content management skills.